I have found out that we are not only being poisoned through the air and the smog and all the chemtrails that we inhale, and through the food and our water. What we do not realize is that we are buying ourselves useful but toxic everyday items that you and I, are using every single day to make our life more easy. But these dangerous toxic items are slowly but surely entering and dissolving into our bodies and causing all kinds of problems. And I just want to replace all the toxic items I surround myself with every day. And I want to show you the process and the journey. We are finding a better solution, a more healthy and safer alternative for you, me and our children and the planet. Yes, look at this. Sweet little stream of water. Should we go up there and look what's up there? Let's do it. Let's run up here and look what's on the top of this hill. We are looking. Wow, can you see that? Natural. Yeah. The animal's path. We just found ourselves a new piece of forest to hang out in. A nice little place, huh? So peaceful out here. This is simply a great place to make a studio. Can just stand here and talk. Can mount it to this tree if I want to. Like that. We are good to go. This is the replacement journey of our everyday toxic items you and I happily surround ourselves with every single day. I have discovered that we are not only being poisoned through our food and our water, we are also being poisoned through the air that we inhale with all the smog and the chemtrails all around us. Not only that, we are also buying ourselves useful but toxic everyday items to make it more easy. What I have decided is to change all that. I don't want to fill my body with chemicals anymore. I don't want to use a toxic item when I can use a safer and better alternative that is not toxic but organic and good for the environment and the body. I want to use the best item that I can, not fucking my body up with all kinds of chemicals, rubbing aluminum under my armpits, for example. There are so many different kinds of hidden poisons and hidden dangers out there, and we have to become aware. Have to become more aware of this. If this is all something you are into, the journey and the replacement journey of our everyday toxic items, then I suggest that you just turn on the subscribe button, hit it, smash it if that's something you are into. Remember to turn on the little notification bell so you don't miss any updates when I will release these videos on the replacement journey of our toxic everyday items. Ah, the sunshine. How are you handling that, GoPro? So silent and peaceful out here. I could live out here. Just need to find some trees to hang my hammock. If you liked the video and watched it so far, remember to smash the like button. And don't forget to breathe deeply every single day. And I will catch you in the next video. Stay healthy. See you.